Hello YouTubers, how you doing today? Sorry I hadn't made a video in a while, but here I am standing in my new shop that I've been built. That's kind of been consuming my time here lately. I don't pay much attention to the vehicle, but anyway, I just had me a 30 by 30 new shop built. As you can see, I'm just now in the process of building shelves. Just got my workbench built, and yeah, some extra lumber. I'm actually going to build a little office to the side here, but anyway, the main reason for this video is to show you these lights. I'm just really impressed with them, and I thought it was worth doing a little video on. But anyway, here's the lights I'm talking about. I take a look at it. That's a 8-foot light right there, and it's a double row LED. I don't know if you can tell from the video or not, but basically, I think the name of them is Barrina, maybe. But anyway, they're I got them off of Amazon, and I'm really digging them. I mean, I'm amazed at how well they work. Basically, I've got a 30 by 30 shop, and I've got 6 8-foot ones in here. And I don't know if you could tell, but by the lighting of the camera here, you should be able to tell this place is lit up like daylight. And I mean, basically, you're talking about, I'll get the amp meter out, but basically around 450 watts I'm spinning on the meter to light this whole shop. And I mean, I'm talking light this whole shop. So, you know, LEDs is the way to go. And I'd rather these double rows because they kind of have an angle on them, so it doesn't shoot all the light straight down. It spreads it out. But I mean, you could tell from this video how well that light. And let me just show you. Let me turn off the lights and I'll show you. There you go. Does that give you any idea? Yeah. Boom. Yeah, we're at nighttime here, and they're lighting this place up, like I said, like daytime. I'm really tickled, and super easy to mount. Basically, what you get with the kit, well, at least I bought the 6-bulb kit, but basically what you get with each of the 8-foot bulbs is you get these little retainer clips. They actually had a spare in there. But basically, this screws down. It even comes with the screws here, but this screws up, you know, up like this. And then it's got like a V in the bulb or in the fixture, and it just snaps in. I'd read some people, they didn't feel like it's a secure mount, but I mean, they don't weigh anything, and I think it's very secure, and you're putting 4 of them in each one. It also comes with these extension cables that I'm showing here, and basically what that is that's so you can daisy chain them. In other words, you can, I think it's set up to 4 of them, but you can daisy chain them each together so that you don't have to run as many wires, which I was kind of thinking about doing that with these. And because I mean, the 4-foot is actually about what I've got them separated. If you look up here, it's about what I've got them separated, and then it leaves about 5 foot on the other end. So this is 30 foot wide, but I mean, it works perfect. But I ended up going with, I don't know if I can get a close up of this, but I wired it to where it actually has plug sockets up there on each of my pillars, or yeah, I guess that's what they call them. But as you can see, and then what I did is it actually comes, let me see if I can zoom that in a little bit. It actually comes with these 3-foot harnesses with switches. So I actually have each one of them with a switch, and of course I have a master switch that turns them all off and on. The nice thing about that is actually I can take a broomstick and I can reach up there and tap and turn one off. In fact, I'll show you. It's kind of a neat thing I did. Instead of daisy chaining them, it gives me more flexibility with them. See, I'll just take this stick here. Actually, I'll turn this one off so you can see, but I can just, see, I can just turn it off and on. Just using the stick. See what I mean? It is to turn them. Ow, I just got a splinter, dang it. I should have used a broomstick instead of a stick of wood I had out here. Anyway, getting diverted there. But anyway, I thought I should do a little short video on these. I mean, let's see if I can kind of get a view of them all from right here. But basically, they start there, and I did them every other eve is what I did. And but as you can tell, I mean, look at that. Look at the lighting. Is that not amazing? And like I showed you, that's at pitch black. But anyway, I'll actually put a little link here on here. I purchased it on Amazon. Actually, if you use my link, I get a little bit of kickback, a few pennies. But anyway, the main thing is I just wanted to show you these lights because I'm just super impressed. And from the reviews, it sounds like they're gonna last good. They'll obviously last better than incandescent and fluorescent. So, you know, time will tell. You know, maybe I'll come back in 6 months and see that they're still working. But I can say I purchased 6, hooked them all up, didn't have a glitch one. Every single one of them lit up, every LED. Not a single problem with any of them. But anyway, like I said, sorry I haven't been on here more often. I'll start getting back on here, especially with what we got going on. I got a little extra free time, but since we're all kind of working at home and isolated. But anyway, yeah, here's the shop, by the way. I can show you here. I thought about doing a video on it, but at the time I kind of just really was in a hurry because I wanted to get it done because I really needed a place to work. But I built this little workbench here, and back up here. But here's my workbench. I've actually got a light underneath it, but I'm on a limited power right now. I'm still waiting to get the main power in. I'm basically running off of an extension cord from the house to power the shop right now until I get the main power in. But I've actually got some LED lighting I'm putting underneath that bench too. But yeah, I used the polyurethane like they do on bowling alleys and skateboard rinks for my top. Not that I want it to be beautiful, but mainly just so that it'll hold up and not stain. But yeah, anyway, you can kind of see how I constructed this. I constructed it to where I didn't have legs up front. For one thing, this gives me to where I can put my jack underneath here, my ramps underneath here. Also with the you know the 90-degree bases underneath there, I can actually put lumber or long items. In fact, I have some LEDs hung up there now already. But anyway, yeah, I just thought I'd kind of show you my bench and a little view of my shop. Like I said, it's a 30 by 30, 12-foot ceilings. I've got a 10 by 10 door and 2 doors and 3 windows. But anyway, if you want more interest on that, I'll do a little video on my shop. But yeah, it's been quite the undertaking. It took a couple months to get that all done. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Check these lights out. I mean, if you're looking for a lighting solution, I think it worked out to where I gave like $13, maybe $14 a piece for these, and or not 13. I mean, actually, be $25 a piece for them, or $26 a piece, somewhere in that range. But you know, I thought about getting the 4-foot ones, but if you think about it, these are 8-foot, so this is equal to 12 4-foot ones. So if you do that math, then it works out to like $13 or $14 a piece. And these are double row, by the way, so it's twice the lighting of a normal one. I think they're rated at 72 watts a bulb, basically, is what they draw. But when they put out light from, you know, the old days, that would have been what would that have been? 82. It'd have been 160 watts. So that tells you how much of a savings you're getting from fluorescent to go on LED. But anyway, I'm just rambling on here now. Y'all have a great day. Stay safe out there, and please, if you get a chance, subscribe. It just helps me out. This is Electron Man. Have a good day. This video was produced by me, the Electron Man. And hey, if you get a chance, subscribe. It helps me out. And have a good day.